Hey guys, it's Sam from Tech Crazy. Today we have leak about MI-A3. Let's start. Specimen of MI9X Mia 3. 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 2340 by 1080 pixels. Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 8-core chipset. 6 GB of RAM, at least 64 GB of internal storage space. Triple rear camera, yeah. 48 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel wide angle secondary sensor, 8 megapixel tertiary telephoto. Sensor for 2x zoom, 32 megapixel single front camera, Android 9.0 Pie operating system under MyUI. Interface 3300 mAh battery capacity and 18W fast charging, no connection, 3.5mm P2 for headphones. Hello guys, it's Sam from Tech Crazy. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for fast updates and amazing tech knowledge.